Next type of projection is diametric projection. It is trimetric projection with two of the three foreshortening factors equal. That is, third factor is different or arbitrary, but two factors, that is fx or fy, fx and fy, or fx and fz, or fy and fz. One of these three pair, one pair is equal, and the third factor is arbitrary. This projection is constructed by a rotation about y-axis through an angle phi, followed by rotation about x-axis through an angle theta, and projection from the center of projection at infinity onto z equals to 0 plane. Here fx equals to fy and fz is free to take values such that fz lies between 0 to 1, and the transformation matrix is cos phi sin theta 0 0 0 cos theta 0 0 sin phi minus cos phi sin theta 0 0 0 0 0 1. That is for trimetric and diametric projection. Transformation matrix is same. The matrix is same, therefore these values of foreshortening factors, that is fx square, fy square and fz square, are equal. Fx square equals to cos square phi sin plus sin square phi sin square theta, fy square equals to cos square theta, and fz square equals to sin square phi plus cos square phi sin square theta. But note that fz lies between 0 to 1, but when fy equals to 0, then we get fx equals to 1. Therefore we have fy which is not equals to 0. Using equation, first use this equation, and fx equals to fy, we get cos square phi plus sin square phi sin square theta equals to cos square theta. We substitute the values of fx and fy here. We consider that fx equals to fy, therefore these RHS terms are equal. Therefore we solve these equations. We substitute the value of cos square phi as 1 minus sin square phi, but since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, we use this identity here, plus second term as it is equals to cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Now take sin square phi common. Sin square phi into 1, here sin square theta minus 1, and this 1 get cancelled, equals to minus sin square theta. We have to find sin square phi, therefore this term gets divided in RHS. Therefore sin square phi is equals to sin square theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. This is equation second. Note that fy which is not equals to 0 we consider here, which implies cos square theta not equals to 0, which implies value of cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, which is not equals to 0. Now consider fz square. The value of fz square is sin square phi plus 1 minus sin square phi sin square theta. This is cos square phi, this is the value of cos square phi. Now solve this. Sin square phi plus sin square theta minus sin square phi into sin square theta. Now take sin square phi common. Sin square phi into 1 minus sin square theta plus this sin square theta as it is. But from equation number second, this the value of sin square phi, the value of sin square phi is sin square theta upon 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta get cancelled, and so we get here sin square theta plus sin square theta. Sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta. Therefore these two divide here, therefore fz square upon 2 equals to sin square theta. Substituting third in second, the value of sin square theta in equation second. Therefore we get sin square phi equals to fz square upon 2 upon 1 minus fz square upon 2. Therefore we get fz square upon 2 minus fz square. Now this is sin square phi. Therefore taking square root of this LHS and RHS, we get sin phi equals to square root, therefore here plus or minus fz upon root of 2 minus fz square. Phi equals to this sign get this sign becomes sin inverse in RHS. Sin inverse plus or minus fz upon 2 minus fz square, and theta is from here, theta is sin inverse plus or minus square root of the first take square root of this fz upon square root 2 equals to sin theta. Therefore the value of theta is sin inverse plus or minus fz upon square root of 2. Thus for given fz we have 4 diametric projection with the angles is theta greater than 0, phi greater than 0, theta greater than 0, phi less than 0. Third one is phi less than 0, theta less than 0, phi greater than 0, and both theta and phi less than 0. Example: determine the diametric projection for a foreshortening factor along the z-axis of 1 by 2. Along the z-axis of 1 by 2, therefore foreshortening variable is factor for z-axis, that is fz is 1 by 2. But we find the formula of theta and phi. Therefore find theta equals to sin inverse plus or minus fz upon square root of 2. The value of fz is 1 by 2. Therefore sin inverse plus or minus 0.3535 equals to plus or minus 20.705 degree, and phi is sin inverse plus or minus fz upon square root of 2 minus fz square. The value of fz is 1 by 2. After substituting the value of fz, we get sin inverse plus or minus 0.378, which is equals to plus or minus 22.208. Now choose phi and theta greater than 0. Then we get this projection matrix. Third type is isometric projection Isometric projection is trimetric projection in which all the three principal foreshortening factors are equal. In this case of projection, fx, fy and fz 3 are equal. Using fx equals to fy in diametric projection, we see sin square phi is sin square theta upon 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta is fz square upon 2. Also fy square is cos square theta, but fy square is equals to fz square. In this isometric projection, therefore fy square is cos square theta equals to fz square to 2 sin square theta, but we use here the identity cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, which is equals to 2 sin square theta. Therefore this one and this minus sin square theta gets here plus, therefore 1 equals to 3 sin square theta. And after taking square root of this term, we get sin theta equals to plus or minus square root of 1 upon 3. Now put the value of sin theta in the equation of sin square phi. Therefore we get here the value of sin theta plus or minus square root of 1 by 3. So sin square phi is 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. Sin square phi is 1 upon 2. That is sin phi equals to plus or minus 1 upon root 2. But we know the value of sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. Therefore phi is plus or minus 45 degree. Also theta equals to sin inverse plus or minus root of 1 upon 3. Therefore theta is plus or minus 35.26 degree. So the angle of rotation are constant in magnitude. Considering combination of the values of theta and phi, we get 4 distinct isometric projection. And since sin theta equals to a root of 1 upon 3, which implies cos theta is root of 2 by 3, and fy square is cos square theta, therefore cos square theta is 2 upon 3. Therefore fx equals to fy equals to fz is 0.8165. Note the angle that the projected x-axis makes with the horizontal is important in manual construction of isomorphic projection. Transforming the unit vector along x-axis using isomorphic projection matrix gives us 1001 matrix into this transformation matrix or trimetric projection matrix. Therefore after multiplication of these matrices, we get cos phi, sin theta 0, 1. Hence angle alpha between projected x-axis and horizontal is angle alpha. Therefore alpha is tan inverse sin phi into sin theta upon cos phi. But we know that for isometric projection we find the value of phi as plus or minus 45 degree. Therefore sin phi plus or minus 1 upon root 2 and cos phi plus or minus 1 upon root 2. And also sin theta is plus or minus 1 upon root 3, since the value of theta is plus or minus 35.26. Therefore we get here tan alpha plus or minus 1 upon root 3. Therefore the value of alpha is plus or minus 30 degree. see the example. Write the isomorphic projection matrices for theta equals to 35.26 degree and phi equals to plus or minus 45 degree. Therefore, first there are 4 cases in this example. So first case is both theta and phi are greater than 0, that is theta is 35.26 degree and phi is 45 degree. Therefore the transformation matrix 0.7071, 0.4082, 00, 0, 0.8165, 0, 0.7071 minus 0.408 82 000001. And second case is phi less than 0 and theta less than 0, phi greater than 0. Therefore theta is minus 35.26 degree and phi greater than 0, that is phi is 45 degree. Therefore we get this transformation matrix. Now third case is theta greater than 0 and phi less than 0, that is theta is plus 35.26 degree and phi is minus 45 degree. Therefore we get this transformation matrix. Case fourth is theta less than 0, phi less than 0. Therefore both the angles are negative, that is theta is minus 35.26 degree and phi is minus 45 degree. Therefore we get this transformation matrix or isometric, these 4 are isometric projection matrix. Now second example. Find isometrically projected object x star where theta greater than 0, phi greater than 0, where x is 1 to 1, 2 minus 1 1, 3 to 1. This is position vector matrix. Therefore 1 to 1, 2 minus 1 1, 3 to 1, and this 1 1 1 into this transformation matrix. After matrix multiplication we get x star equals to 1.411, so 1.414, 1.63301, 2.121 minus 0.4083, 01, 2.828, 2.4494, 01.